Hurricane Ian, a Category 4 monster storm, roared ashore Wednesday near Fort Myers, Florida. Its 150-mile-an-hour winds tore apart homes and devastated businesses in its path.
Ian will likely turn out to be one of the costliest storms on record. One insurance industry estimate puts the damage around $60 billion.
Everything, my life savings, everything, my tools, everything.
There is widespread devastation and loss today in the wake of Hurricane Ian. Many of the beach communities along the state's Gulf Coast are disaster zones this morning. President Biden fears this could be Florida's deadliest storm ever.
This could be the deadliest hurricane in Florida's history.
The storm surge, up to 12 feet, seemed to wipe communities right off the map.
Before and after pictures show an unrecognizable coastline. Home after home wiped out. Rebuilding could take years.
And in so many places along Florida's Gulf Coast, familiar to countless Canadians who've holidayed here, evidence of Ian's wrath literally flooded the zone. This is Fort Myers. This is Cape Coral. This is a parking garage in Naples. Elsewhere in that city, a fire truck is immobilized in water too deep and too powerful.
This morning, the urgent search for survivors still underway following the catastrophic aftermath of Hurricane Ian. The death toll rising to 83 nationwide.
There are people still missing.
The search for survivors continues heading into day 4. Members of Florida Task Force 2, comprised in large part of first responders from the city of Miami, believe there may still be people alive under the rubble at Ground Zero in Fort Myers Beach. But time is running out.
We know in the first 48 hours, that is your greatest opportunity to save a life.
Some who survived and lost everything have made this nearby parking lot their temporary home.
Where have you been sleeping?
I've been sleeping in my car.
The deadly triple threat of wind, rain, and flooding makes it one of the worst hurricanes to ever arrive on Florida's shores.